Oh, so Freddie.
What?
Tonight's bonfire night.
Yeah. Zoe.
Look, ready?
Yeah. Wow. Wow. Cool.
Yeah, they're cool, aren't they?
Yeah, they are, aren't they? I'm just gonna go and get some, man.
Freddie.
Oh. Wow, you then, Grandad, you fat pot of belly then.
Oi!
What? What?
Well, I was good until you called me that, Freddie.
What?
Stupid.
Oh.
Freddie! Candy, that hurt my ears.
Yeah, sure, Candy. God. Hey, Candy.
What? Ah! Freddie,
What?
that ball is really, really heavy.
Here, have a feel. Do.
Oh! That should smack me straight in the nose. Get away from me. Freddie, knock it off. Alright, Freddie. Oh. Right.
Wow, you thought, mate, aren't you, Grandad?
Freddie!
Wow. Really fat, aren't you?
Stop.
Oh. True, though.
Freddie, what are you going to do with these balloons?
I don't know.
Right, I'm going to get a glass of water. So. Oh, God! Jesus Christ! Oh! Oh, Freddie, that were right loud. Alright, bye.